Welcome back to our vlog for today's video. We're here at
Mall of Asia,
At kasama namin mga anak. Ayan. Yan si Kuya Bill, si Isaiah, at saka si Bibi Sinyang Gising.
Yan, Mall of
Yala, go!
Asia.
In front, in front ako, in front ako.
Yan. Hi guys! Mabangga kita guys. Ayan, nandito kami sa Mall of Asia. Yan.
Nice.
Walking. Yan, ano ba?
It's nice to be with my hubby, my pretty hubby.
Family bending.
Our family bonding here.
Sunday here.
Because it's Sunday. Because it's Sunday, 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 Sunday.
Family day.
Family day.
Ito na yung tatlo. Mall of Maganda dito mga ka-everything pagdating. Kaya.
Flower for you.
Wala, nabaliktad. Baliktad na mga ka-everything. Baliktad na mga ka-everything, yes.
Yan.
From the ocean. Ito na lang. Ito. Yan tayo aakyat. Mall, ayan o. Mall of. Yan si Mall of